It is currently snowing like crazy, but I have this cute cat right here, so it's not too bad. I'm pretty sure I said this in the last vlog, but we are in for a snowstorm that started around 9 a.m. and it's been snowing ever since. But we had fun, we had dinner, we had a lot of just good conversation, and it was good for all four of us, especially, I have obviously a lot going on this week with my surgery coming up in a few days. Definitely having again, because it was super filling. We had chicken and of course, chicken and hours, corn tortillas, black beans, corn, and obviously enchilada sauce and all the other ingredients. Like I said, I'll leave the recipe in the description. That being said, it was nice to just be around good company, have a nice warm and cozy meal, and be around just, while I can still be mobile, be around people and still have fun and not worry about being laid up for 3 weeks or more. Well, the day of my surgery, so I think I've kind of played around with how this is going to go. I'm thinking that, of course, I'm going to vlog what I can, but I'm going to be seriously out of it, not knowing how long the surgery is actually going to be or knowing the time of my surgery yet. I will find that out on Wednesday, the day before the surgery. That being said, I am still waiting just to find out that information. That way I can book the Metavan to come and get us, and all of the, all of the details in between that go with that. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to vlog as much as I can, but afterwards, of course, I'm going to be so out of it. I'm probably going to want to sleep for a few hours, knowing that I'm going to be out of anesthesia and my leg is going to be numb for the time being until the numbness wears off. And then I got this one over here who's been hard at work. Right?
Hardly.
That all being said, just as I did last time when I had a procedure and was under anesthesia, I will keep you guys updated as best as I can. So, I mean, stick around, subscribe, but I'll do what I can that day, but I'm not, going to have the camera running 24/7. I'll just put it like that. Working harder. Yeah, he's been hard at work today. It has just been a inside day because the weather is crappy. Here it is, a better view of the snow. Like I said, it's like a total whiteout, and it's supposed to look like this all day until after midnight into tomorrow. I know you can't really tell, but here's some of the frost that's finally melting off. Unfortunately, this was not closed all the way until Richard just closed it a little while ago. But yeah, it's cold. We have been going over our weekly grocery list, and you guys, they have run out of eggs, they have run out of milk, and they have run out of, like, just the staple stuff. Just like eggs, milk, what else? Bread, butter, any of the basic stuff. They're out of stock, and it's just like, well, dang, people, you don't have to be that crazy about it. But it has been an inside day today, and we're okay with that because it's like 5 degrees outside. It is absolutely freezing, but it's nice and cozy in here. It's like 73 degrees in here. Warm. Oh, what a crazy... The storm is insane. It literally just looks like it's just bluster. What is it? It's extra fluffy snow, so it's extra blustery and snowy. But I do sincerely hope that all of you are staying safe and staying indoors as best as possible due to this weather. Stay off the roads. I don't even drive, and I'm telling you this from just me knowing people that drive on a daily basis. Stay off the roads. They're slick, they're dangerous, they're slippery. Like, I didn't go to church at all this weekend due to the frigid temperatures. And it's only going to get colder throughout the next couple of days due to this snowstorm.
It's going to stay cold. All week is going to stay cold.
Yeah, it's going to stay cold pretty much all week this week due to this weather. So, I mean, stay indoors. Thankfully, I am so thankful that the building that I live in, I do not have to pay for heat. It is included in my lease, so I can crank up the heat as high as I want to, and I don't have to pay for it. I'm also extremely grateful if the power does go out. This building actually runs on generators, so if we were to lose power for whatever reason, we technically wouldn't, because the building runs on generators, so the power would be restored. We stayed up too late last night. We had Alyssa and Kevin over because we were celebrating my 1-year anniversary of living here. And we had a very, very, very delicious crock pot enchilada soup. Crock pot chicken tortilla enchilada soup. Super delicious. If I can find the recipe, I'll link it in the description. We also plan on having the lasagna soup again. So good. The next time we make both of those recipes, I'll make sure to film them for you. Either way, I'll leave either the enchilada soup or both the lasagna soup listed in the description. You guys have to try them and let me know if you try them. They were both phenomenal, especially for weather like this. Super delicious. Are
Why?
to flip it around.
Why do you want to film it?
Okay, flip it back.
Like that?
Yeah, and is it facing me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you want
Right.
then.
Hands on the doors. All right, now quick grab the wheels. And put the brakes on.
Okay.
All right, now no using your right foot. You have to put your left foot down on the ground. Grab that bar over here on the left and stand up, not using your right foot. Is the chair moving?
No.
Okay. You should be able to, you can use your right foot to flip that thing up. No,
I
you
just
did. Okay.
I just did that.
Okay.
Okay, so we can
Now you only have one bar to grab. Can you grab that bar with both hands? Use your left leg to stand up. No right foot, no right foot, no right foot. It's like a game operation. As soon as your right foot hits the ground, no, you can't do that. What?
What are you doing?